Tiger's score. I just want to clarify that. So they scored 173 points, okay? And Tiger 2 scored 172.5. So again, amazing. You guys are all winners. This definitely shows you are all winners. So we are so proud of you. Okay. Okay. So first we're going to do a group picture with the first, second, and third place winners. If you guys could please come up and form 3 lines here. Okay. Please do not come into this area here, okay? Stay at the tables here and beyond. Thank you. All right, one more minute and then we gotta take a group picture with all the teams. Sit down so that we can get everyone. All right, 1 minute. Let's start now. Okay, 1 minute is up. Thank you so much to Rising Star. To the teams that place, if we could please have the coaches meet over on the side where the dance competition table is over there. And Lo Meng, the executive director of HAPA, will take care of your check for you, okay? So again, the coaches for the teams that place, please go over to your left, or actually my left, your right, I'm sorry. All right, thank you again to Rising Star. Dancers, please do not go anywhere too far. We are still giving out special awards after we announce the Pro Division winners, so do not go too far. Thank you.